How to use AI denoise in GraXpert. Let's get into it. First, load an image. Make sure that image is in linear mode. Then, put it in maximum stretch mode to see the data. Go to the advanced settings and ensure you are using the latest algorithm for denoising. Next, navigate to denoising section and press denoise image. If you haven't used this feature before, it will ask you to download the AI model. Press yes and wait until the download is complete.
One eternity later.
Once downloaded, denoising will automatically begin. You can view both the denoise version and the original version. Feel free to save the denoise image for further processing. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Want to support me? Please become a member. I'll see you in the next video.